This is gonna be our victim. This is not animal cruelty.
Not at all. Come on.
Bobby, you wanna see the kitty fly?
Tatum.
I would move.
Right.
I hope I live.
Ready?
No.
Don't eat it. Go.
Ready, set, fly, kitty.
Oh my god! Ow! Ow! It hit me, not the basket. It was supposed to hit that, not my head.
Broke his arm. No, he's fine.
That was my freaking head, you retard!